What is dopamine detox, and what is its purpose? If you find yourself getting bored, unable to concentrate, procrastinating, and struggling with complex tasks, you're likely addicted to dopamine. But what does that mean, and how can you fight it? Dopamine detox is a process where you eliminate all highly stimulating stimuli from your life. These stimuli include social media, internet surfing, gaming, watching movies and series, pornography, unhealthy eating, cigarettes, drugs, and alcohol. This detox needs to be maintained for a week or longer to allow positive changes to manifest. The longer you maintain it, the more positive effects will show. For example, I held this detox for 21 days and can confirm I felt positive effects. After this process, you'll notice a significant difference in the following areas. There are 4 areas where reduced dopamine stimulation positively impacts our lives. The first area is increased productivity and focus. If you're pursuing your dream, reducing excessive stimulation will help you focus better and be more productive, which can play a crucial role in your success. This area was fundamental. Before I underwent this process, I was highly dependent on dopamine and unable to concentrate, which changed afterward. The second area concerns time, which is an immensely important commodity for all of us. If we're dopamine dependent, we often exchange it for our time, which could be used for more meaningful activities. You probably know those minutes, hours, or entire days spent scrolling on TikTok or binge watching your favorite series. Those moments when you trade time for dopamine. The third area is stress. Too much stimulation can cause tension in our lives and lead to greater susceptibility to illnesses. Once you're dopamine dependent, you care about nothing else but when you'll get the next dopamine hit, and if you don't get it, you start getting nervous and stressed. The fourth area is finding greater joy in small things. If we have a high level of dopamine, we may tend to ignore common and small experiences. Reducing dopamine levels allows us to find greater joy in even the smallest things, like spending time in the sun or with family. I'll give you some tips I noticed during my dopamine detox. First, remove all social media from your mobile to decrease the likelihood of feeling the urge to use them. Second, the first day or two will be the hardest because your body is adjusting to lower dopamine levels. Be patient. Third, if you haven't tried meditating yet, now is the ideal time to start. Fourth, boredom isn't a bad thing. When you're bored, you have the opportunity to exercise or work on personal development. Fifth, try to enjoy the entire process. It may sound odd, but a dopamine detox can be a great experience. For me, it was a positive experience. I think you have enough theory. Now it's time to put it into practice. Don't be afraid and find the nearest date to start. The best date is tomorrow. Start and see how it goes and the positive effects it will have on you.